The truth about terracotta. I am presenting this topic in several podcasts to cover several items. First, dispel the fact that in the US, decorative terracotta is only for restoration projects. Next, rain screens with terracotta are not just extruded, but can be highly ornate with varied color, texture, and relief, all totally under the architect's control. Also, ask what most contractors think lead time is on terracotta, considering Darwin currently is 16-week shipping from approved color and shops. Please note laser scanning of individual pieces, either on site or at the contractor's shop, can greatly reduce turnaround time and shipping costs. With over 12 million currently under bid and increasing more every day, there is plenty of work, but lead times may increase slightly even for Darwin. Since Darwin is delivering to both the East and West Coast, distance is not a problem. Most specifiers must consider including Darwin in addition to Boston Valley and Gladding McBean if they want projects designed, bid, and delivered in the same calendar year. Thank you.